My Jamaican wife question.
Don't ask me a very difficult question and unexpectedly.
Why now? If me make you know the question, or you're gonna know if you answer it.
Make me know the question so
No,
I could give you straight
that's why I'm
answer.
gonna ask it.
So I could give you straight and simple answer ahead. Even people that are being interviewed, they get to have idea on which field they will be interviewed before they come out on TV and say something so that they don't look foolish. So if you put phone camera in my face and just ask me random question, you know.
Why you think women lose out on good man these days?
Oh, because women love money.
Oh, you ready to answer that question?
Because
then?
women love money. That is big straight answer. Women love money and women love vanity.
Yes. You really think that that's why make women lose out on man?
Yes,
good
because
man.
Yes, because good men are not always rich and they are not always handsome.
You reckon?
Yeah. That is why I told you fingers are not equal. If you're handsome and rich, you can never have good character. Just like ladies too. If you see a lady that is very, very beautiful and rich, she has something up sleeves.
So that you think make woman lose out on good man?
Yeah. You know, the other day we were talking and you say sometimes you see some girl's husband very ugly because of money. Women just love money. Yes.
I think so them too picky and choosy. Because these days me notice say like me know most girls, young girls always say they want like their boyfriend to be tall. They don't.
Yes, it's all the same. Fame, money, interest.
But so something. What me want to ask you, why difference with that? Why difference with a tall person and a short person?
Yeah, that's a very good question.
Why woman? Wait now, why woman? Some women say they want tall man instead of a short man.
Thank you. Thank you very much for asking that question. You see, most women always think of physical appearance, physical interest. That's all. That is why we rate women and children in the same category. If you wrap up a very bad object in a very shiny paper and wrap up a good object in ordinary paper, the child will pick the shiny one, even if there is spikes and needle in the shiny one, because it's a child. They just go for shiny thing. That's why women and children are always the same, almost.
So you feel like women now look at, and they say, for example, one short man, one tall man. You feel like women now look on the character of the person. They just go for them by looks and appearance.
Yeah, it's only few % of women that we check the character, and those few % of women are not young women, Already.
Oh yeah.
They can never be young women.
Yeah.
The women that we look at character is matured women. Mostly women that have experienced life. That is the women that we say, look, I've made my mistakes when I was young, when I thought like a brother women, when I used to think all that glitters are gold, when I always base my choice in physical appearance, or when I base my choice based on what people will say, or on what people will see.
All right, so me want to ask that question. So you don't feel like most of those women, what say they want tall man, what make you think they're single? You don't think that because them used to date tall man before and tall man keep on a disappoint them, but they still go for the same person. Yeah. Does that make sense?
It doesn't make sense. People doesn't quickly learn. People don't learn quickly. Sometime before people realize their mistakes, time has passed. It doesn't happen to women alone, but it happens to men too.
Yeah, because if you said you want a tall man and you only date tall man, why you not end up with a tall man for your husband?
Yeah.
Why you still out there
looking for another
tall man? And then why you not give, why you as a woman